All right, good morning, everyone. Ended up going to bed at 3:30 last night. So right now it's about 9 o'clock. I'm headed to the day job. Going to make one stop on the way there. When I was making those hats last night, because I had the top transfers for the other customer, I went ahead and made a hat for them so that I could try to sell them on buying a bunch more. So we'll see how that goes, and then I'll be at work for the morning. So let's get going. So dropped those hats off this morning, or the single hat, and she loved it. Unfortunately, because I took a little bit too long on her shirt order that I did with the top transfers, she ordered hats from someone else. So she apologized to me, which was very nice of her, but not necessary. But it just goes to show that if you take longer than expected, even if you are clear in the communication of why, you could potentially miss out on jobs. So she said that if she doesn't like these hats that she's getting from the other company, or she needs to get more, that she'll get them from me. And it's a little sad on my part that I missed out on that job. So just an update there as far as that job goes. As far as right now, it's now lunchtime. I ran to install some vinyl at a new business that is having kind of their soft open today, doing some social media marketing and stuff for online and whatnot. So did that right now, and now I'm headed back to work. So got a few sales calls to do at work, and then it'll be nice to have a weekend. I probably won't record tomorrow. We're doing a little birthday party for my kids, so hopefully I won't even work. But I guess we'll find out tomorrow. All right, guys, it's now 12:40 a.m. I actually might get to bed before 1 o'clock tonight, maybe. So because of that party we're having tomorrow, I came home and mowed the lawn real quick. And then I ran, before I did my printing business, or I should say when I started my printing business, I had already started a computer repair business. I still have a few clients that I do that for, so I had to run and move some network equipment for a business. So I got that all taken care of tonight. For the most part anyway, they still have some construction that they're dealing with. So I'll have to go back probably one more time once that construction is done. But as far as to round up the day for the print shop, I got a postcard designed for a customer that's moving offices. We're sending out 3,000 of those. One of my suppliers will do pre-sorted and auto addressing. So rather than paying the 35 cents for a postcard, I'll pay anywhere from 24 to 30 cents a piece, plus the printing, plus a setup fee. So should be a pretty good job, make a few $100 and not do that much work. That was a referral from BNI, so that's great. Another benefit of BNI. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to try not to work. I do have a bunch of embroidery jobs that I need to finish up for some people, as well as a couple of heat transfer jobs. So I would like to try to get those wrapped up so I can get them off my list of things to do, just so I can maybe start the week with a cleaner slate. But I'm going to try to spend a bunch of time with my kids and family tomorrow. So work might not get very much attention, which is probably a good thing. Been running hard for a couple weeks and not getting very much sleep, and I'm just feeling exhausted. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stick along for the journey.